Hello, welcome to Con Corner. This is just a quickie video to show you some of the shelf-stable meat bargains that are available at Big Lots right now. At least they're available in our local Big Lots. I went in the other day and they've got these on clearance. But actually it was not a bad price to start with, so even if they're not on clearance yet, looky there, they had prosciutto, which is an uncured Italian ham, and it was originally only $3 for a 3-ounce package. Now, prosciutto is so dried that it's like old-fashioned real hams, so it's super concentrated, almost to the degree that jerky is, although it's not jerky. And usually it's extremely expensive, and I've never eaten it because it's so expensive. So I'm excited about this. Paul says one good way to use it is to wrap our fresh asparagus spears with it and roast them in the oven until it gets nice and crisp, and says it's delicious. Well, these are on clearance right now at our local store for $1.50 a pack. So I bought 4 packs of them, and I'll put some away. I've also heard, and you'll see on the package, it shows it served with melon, and I've heard about that before. But it has no, this particular kind has no artificial ingredients. There's no nitrates, there's no nitrates. So good option for people that are watching for that. Dry salami, you know, can be stored outside the refrigerator. I like to have some things that don't rely on electricity. And as you know, I can a lot of our own meats. I've canned fish before, and it makes a lot of sense. I think we all know people who have lost a whole freezer full of their venison or their nice meats that they had expended their effort to either purchase or to raise, and then it's just gone when you have a prolonged power outage, or when the appliance fails. So this kind of thing is something I always watch for. So here we have a 6-ounce package of dry salami. There's Genoa salami, Italian dry, and hard salami, all in the same pack for $2.50, which is, for shelf-stable product, I think is great. They're not out of date yet. The date on them is September 2019, but I'm sure that they'll keep for at least another year longer. So I bought a couple of packs of that. Shelf-stable cheeses. I had bought these a while back, but I brought them out just to show the variety. You know, this is a bacon and cheddar, and we see these kinds of products in the holidays on those little gift cheese boards. But the smoked Gouda, I was very pleased to get an opportunity to get that and have that just stuck in the cabinet. I usually freeze extra cheese, but some of these it kind of changes the texture of. So cheeses that can go in the cabinet. The smoked salmon, Alaska's wild-caught smoked salmon, on sale for $5 for a 14-ounce package of it. So, and there again, you know, smoked salmon is very condensed. You can use it in lots of different kinds of dishes, but it's super condensed. And fish, of course, we don't need as much fish as we do meat anyway. So, you know, Paul and I were talking about that a while back. If I'm going to make meat dish for us, I'm going to allow at least a quarter pound per person. But if I'm doing fish, just a few ounces is plenty. So, you know, a 14-ounce package of this, you could make dishes that would serve the whole family, and still have some leftovers. And so I bought a couple of packs of those. But they're on right now at Big Lots as they're having their clearances and clearing out their winter merchandise. So now's the time to go and shop for some bargains. It probably won't be too long till they'll have their big 20% off store-wide sales too. So sign up. You know, that's one of the places that it really makes sense to sign up for their emails, so that you can get a notice if they're going to do their family and friends 20% off the entire store sales. All right, that's all I wanted to show you today. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks a bunch.